everyone has talent. And their talent is what will take you to the greater altitude. You know that the greater the altitude, the greater you are. So your talent tells you who you are, how you can motivate people through your talent. You can use your talent to do different things. You can use your talent to create a very better society, because it was through people's talent that we could have those buildings around here. People put into drawing the plan of the buildings. That talent talent. But the artists that draw people, that try to create real and imaginary things into drawing, sculpture, and other things. That's someone's talent. And that talent can take them to different places because they actualize it.
You know, in the aspect of football, we have people that are talented in that aspect. We have Vincent Again, we have Ronaldo Christian, we have Nicole, a lot more. You know, Vincent Again was a super outstanding goalkeeper. He was that very talented. We wouldn't know that he was in that aspect.
It's because of talent that made our distinguished Senator Goslin Fabio build their Ibon International Stadium, which is helping the talented footballers of Province State to stand out. And that talent, that love for talent really boosted the Province State among the states in Nigeria. If you can see that people outside came to play football there in our Province International Stadium. If he did not have the love for talent, he wouldn't have built that, and that would have rendered a Province State useless. But because of that, this love for talent, you can see that our province have one of the best stadiums in Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much. No, I'm the case of John Singer. A lot of people are just like, you know the rest, alright? But people don't really believe the rest to be your talent. But those people, you're making a huge amount of money from what you're doing, and that's your talent. You're being exposed. Those people there, it's a scale as a worldwide entertainment, and that's their talent. You're showcasing your talent. That's why you and I use that song like John Singer is the world. So it doesn't really matter, because as the answer said earlier, it's a natural ability to do something well. Now look at Dr. Goslin Fabio, although he never knew anything about that, but the little he knew about talent, that was the reason why I read about free compulsory education, because education is now the modern days as a, let's say, an activator for talent.
Okay, let me answer that. Many people think they don't have activators because of the people around. So that's why I really love our distinguished senator. He had the zeal to help people. Because if I didn't build that stadium, many top lovers of football, talented people in football, wouldn't have an activator to move forward. But he stood out as an activator to activate people's talent. So it doesn't matter if you don't have an activator or not, but your love for talent can make you the activator of yourself.
My advice for you to me right now is that it's for you to know that your talent is a gift from God, and your gift to you is for you to make a good use of it. So today, do your very best. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to sing a song titled I Surrender. There is so much light has left me, and this fire is burning sweet.
These are the words of a frontier lad who lost his love when he turned back. Take a message to Mary, but don't tell her where I am. Take a message to Mary, but don't say I'm in the jam. You can tell her that I went to see the world, but tell her that the sheep set sail. You can say she better not wait for me, but don't tell her I'm in jail. Oh, don't tell her I am in jail. Take a message to Mary, but don't tell her what I've done. Please don't mention her state clothes and a shot from her earlier gun. You can tell her that I have to change my plans and cancel out the waiting day. But please don't mention my lonely self, where I'm gonna find her way until my dying day. Take a message to Mary, but don't tell her all you know. My heart's taken for Mary, God knows I miss her so. You can tell her that I went to serve by two, or tell her that I'm searching for gold. You can say she better find someone new to cherish and to hold. Oh Lord, her Sally's school. Mary, Mary, oh Lord, this love is true. Hello viewers, my name is Costas Bessie, and I'm here to take a motivational call. In the Far East, there is what we call the Chinese bamboo. The Chinese bamboo takes 5 years to germinate and 5 weeks to mature. But the question is, does it take 5 years or 5 weeks to grow? The answer is, it takes 5 years to grow. Because at the point in time that the planters stop watering and fertilizing the ground, the Chinese bamboo dies in the soil. So is your dream. Your dream is very, very important to you, because your dreams takes you to the altitude where you never imagined. Fertilize and nurture your dreams. Water your dreams, and you'll see the positive result. Hang around friends that gives you positive mindset, not those that give you negative and more negative mindset. Because the higher you think, the higher you become. Forget about your environment. You may be from a local place, but that doesn't mean you're local. Think high, think bigger. Actualize your dreams, because your dreams is who you are. A wise man once said that, I'm rich, not because I have the money, but I'm rich because I trained and grew billionaires. When you actualize your dream, help other people. Because when you help other people, you're actualizing more on your talents. Because your talent is who you are. Make your talents help others, because others are going to help other people, and we're going to bring a very positive world. Thank you.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Paris of Mount Motion. I'm Dama Klein, and I'm here to take you a motivational tour. I would like to make by saying that sometimes people work hard in order to look for solutions to their problems. But because if you ignore it, you can know the solution to your problems. If because immortality is form the quality of your life. The eye is distinct consists of three parts. The physical eye, optical eye, the spiritual eye, and the innermost eye. The physical eye is the eye which is seeing physical things, while the spiritual eye is the eye which is seeing spiritual things. And the innermost eye is the eye which is seeing innermost things. You know, there's no future where there's no mission, and there's no mission where there's no future. In order for you to succeed in life, your desire to succeed must be greater than your fear of failure. As a sage person is a person who can lay a foundation for himself. Success is just like science, it has the vision, you got the result. Fight for your dream, and your dream will fight for you, because a person without a dream is a person without a future. This will come to the end of the sentence. Thank you.
I'm curious to remind you what those things you might have forgotten or those things you have knowledge about. Do you know when Nigeria got independent? Nigeria got independence here for October 1960. It was through competition which was regulated by the British government. Do you know that there this kind of bacteria military intelligence content 1 billion of them? Do you know that the flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down? Do you know that babies are born without kneecap? The kneecap begins to appear from 2 to 3 years old. Do you know where Bob space shuttle landed? But the space shuttle landed on the moon, the Mars, the Venus, and the Ceres area. Do you know how many rock planets we have in the world? We have 5 rock planets in the world, which are the Ceres, the Pluto, the Titan, the Venus, and the Aries. Do you know how many planets we have in the world? We have the 8 planets in the world, which are, we have 7 planets in the world, which are the Mercury, the Venus, the Mars, the Earth, the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do you know how many oceans we have in the world? We have 5 oceans in the world, which are the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The world's largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, followed by the Atlantic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. Do you know who the founder person of the Paris International? It is Mr. Alfred Gregory James. Do you know that the solar system is subdivided into 2 parts, which are the terrestrial planet and the zodiac planet? The terrestrial planet consists of the Mercury, the Mars, the Venus, and the Earth. The zodiac planet consists of the Jupiter, the Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The zodiac planet is subdivided into 2 parts, which are the ice giant and the gas giant. The gas giant are the Jupiter and Saturn, but the ice giants are the Uranus and Neptune. And the gas giant, the 2 main dominant gases, which are the hydrogen and the helium. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for bearing and goodbye.
Do you know that the largest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean? Do you know that the largest continent, according to population, is Asia? Do you know that the largest country in the world is Russia? Do you know that the most populated country in the world is the People's Republic of China, with about 2 billion people? Do you know that the largest planet in the universe in our solar system is the Jupiter, which is about 11 times the size of the Earth? Do you know that in Venus, it snows metals and rains sulfuric acids? Do you know that the only planet aside from Earth that can survive, that humans can survive, is the Mars? Do you know that the largest continent in the world, according to the number of countries, is the Africa? Do you know that the largest country in Africa, according to population, is Nigeria? Do you know that the largest country south of Africa is South Africa? Do you know that the first black president of America is Barack Obama? Do you know that the first capital of Nigeria was Calabar? Do you know that in the universe, they are what we call the stars? And the stars have different categories. We have the black star, we have the giant stars. When the star is up to about a heat of 1 million degrees Celsius, it splits to what we call the dwarf stars. Do you know that the sun is the smallest star?